my kitchen in Los Angeles, California. You might know me from a couple of the books I've written. One is a culinary memoir called Siren's Feast. So today we're going to do some cooking. It should be fun, and I hope you enjoy it. So today I'm going to show you how to make vegetable broth or vegetable stock or bouillon. It's really easy and it's a great thing to do because everyone ends up with leftover vegetables, potato peels, onion skins, all kinds of stuff that you can put into a pot and turn into fabulous vegetable broth. So to start, get one of your good stock pots, and you need about 8 cups of water. And for 8 cups of water, you'll need about 7 cups of vegetables. And I've chosen some of my favorites that you often have on hand. You know, the ends of celery, the leaves and everything just plops right in. Potato, if you just have the potato peels, of course, you've got to scrub the potatoes first. But I'm putting in a potato because it adds a really good flavor. And this is some onion skin and some carrots. And I had a fennel bulb. So this is just the outer leaf of the fennel bulb that I'm going to throw in the pot. And I also have some leeks. And if you've never cooked leeks, you know that they can be full of dirt. And there is a way to clean them. You take off the outer leaves and wash those if you're going to use them in your stock. And what I do is that I slice the leeks down the middle because then it becomes really easy to see if there's any hidden dirt inside. Those look pretty clean. They're all going in. And then another good thing is parsley adds wonderful flavor. And I had some garlic cloves that I'm just going to add because who doesn't like garlic? And this morning I picked some thyme from my garden. It's actually a really pretty variegated thyme. So I'm putting in some sprigs of thyme. And of course, another good thing to always keep on hand, because it's great in soups and beans and stews, is bay leaf. So that goes into the pot. You bring it to a boil, put the lid on, and simmer it. Lower the flame and simmer it. You know, you can reduce it as much as you want. 8 cups of water will really reduce down to about 4 to 6 cups of stock. That's kind of what you should go for. And if you want to make more, you can always put it in the freezer and use it at a later date. So that's how you make vegetable broth.